Multiplying or dividing integers. When you multiply or divide integers, these are the rules that you follow. If the integers have the same sign, then multiply or divide the number and your answer will be positive. Maybe you've heard people say 2 positive make a negative. In this case, it does. So if they have the same sign, so I have -2 times -5. Remember, these parentheses mean to multiply. So I have 2 negatives, so they make a positive, 10. I have 2 negatives over here. I have -30 divided by -10. So I have 2 negatives, so 2 negatives make a positive. This is something you've always applied to positive numbers. So if you have 2 integers with the same sign, say you have 9 plus 9, that number is 18 and it stays positive. But the trick now is when you have 2 negative numbers, they become positive. If integers have a different sign, then multiply or divide the numbers and your answer will be negative. Okay, so you have 2 different signs. If you have -5 times 3, you have a negative and you have a positive. So a negative and a positive make a negative. When you have different signs, your answer is negative. So we have 30 divided by -5. We have a positive 30 divided by a -5. So we have a positive and a negative. We have 2 different signs. So our answer is going to be negative.